What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. So I had a few requests on making the sensing, the Honda sensing right here in the bottom for 2021. Since it's different, it's wider, so we're gonna be looking for more accuracy and see how it reacts to the lane departure and stuff like that. So we're gonna go hop into this beautiful 2.0 again and check out those features on the highway. Let's get right to it, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about installations, DIY stuff, so you guys can save yourself a couple hundred, thousands over time, because you're going to be replacing the same stuff parts again. Helps you guys to get to know your car better. You guys already know me. I have a lot of people who actually joined me as a member. I really appreciate you guys. We have a keyless entry, of course, and he has the keys. Come closer. I'll just open it like this. There you go. And yeah, well, let's go. All right, so this is fun. It's nice out too. We're gonna test those out. We're gonna be using we're gonna press. Oh, they changed this actually. They had a main button here before on the older models, and now I guess this is a cruise button right here. To press it, it'll enable it. Let's go ahead and start it. Yeah, no AC now, bro. It's already chilly out a little bit.
Yeah, we'll just
put it on like 70 something.
And then we'll just
yeah, it's good.
Yeah, we'll just do it.
So yeah, that's cruise control right there. This is how far your distance you want to keep your distance from the other car in front of you. This is for the lanes to keep itself in the lanes. It's right there. Oh, I like the icon actually shows up too now. You see that? That's awesome. And this would be to set as you're driving. If you're at like 40-50 miles per hour, you press set. It's gonna be at that cruise control. Make sure your hand is still on the steering wheel for safety. Yeah, so if you set your car to like let's say 70 miles per hour or 60, and there's what's it called, there's a car in front of you, it's gonna brake on its own and keep that distance you choose. From here you can choose different distance right there. See that? This is like the closest right there, but I usually keep it 2, which I like 2. That's it. And other than that, yeah, the car brakes on its own when there's no car in front of it, or the car in front of you goes faster. The car will start to go faster on its own as well. So let's go on back on the highway and check it out. All right, guys. So check this out. We're gonna be doing this. The icon's already on right there, and if you want to bring it closer to show, we're gonna go ahead and set it up. Let me go on the highway real quick first. That's where we're gonna, you see how the icon turned green? That means it just enabled itself automatically. When you see lanes, the dashed lines, it will automatically go. It's automatically went green after it saw a few. That's what I love about a 2.0, just take off. But yes, as you can see, the icon is green right there. And also, when I want to set for the cruise control, I'll do that. Just like that, you just press set, and then I was set on 68. And you could, you know, if you press the plus button right down here, you can make it go higher. Like you put 75, and it's gonna pick up the speed on its own. And if you wanted to increase speeds in increments like 5, you press and hold. You see that? It went in 5s. So we'll go back to 70 for now. We're just trying to find more cars up here. As you can see, the car coming in the front. And you'll see how it starts to, it's going to slow down on its own with the, I'm going to start off with the most furthest. So as you can see, for the purpose of the video, I just have it on 70, just to show you guys that the car is not going to go to 70 once it reaches that. I put three dashes here to show the distance. Like I want to be 3 dashes away. Just stick it real quick. Well, you bring it closer here. You see that? I have 3 dashes up there, and look at the distance between the car and the car in front of me. And I'm not having my foot on brakes or anything like that. Just set it on 70 just for the purpose of to show you that I'm not going 70. It's that car in front of me is going at 58. So let me just take the exit. And when there's no cars in front of you, it will start to go up back to 70 wherever you live, wherever you set this up. So I'm just gonna go and turn back around real quick, and we'll see how it turns out the accuracy wise with the lane departure and everything like that. So I'm gonna take it off the cruise control and all that stuff, and I just want to see if it reacts to the lanes departure. To do it here since it's construction going on, but the lane keep assist feature kind of enables itself automatically and disables itself. When there's like no lines or anything like that on the road, it kind of disables itself. That's weird. I could just keep it on. Maybe you have to read a certain amount of miles per hour as well. Who knows? But we'll find out once it gets a bit clearer, finally. So let's just go back to speed limit. And we'll see how it works. I'm trying to see if it curves on its own. You having a hard time? Is your hand tired?
No, my hands not really tired.
Alright, so the accuracy wise, you can see it's steering itself on its own, but it's pretty good at 50 miles per hour. But I believe if you do go faster, like 60 or above, it might not be that accurate. But again, I still haven't touched the steering wheel yet, but my hands are close to it just for safety. I'm just gonna increase it to 55 speed limit and see if it can. I just hate that. You see that part, steering required? It's like every time you let it go, it kind of has this thing pop up. But just kind of touch it, it goes away. But so far, it's curving on its own very well. Yeah, it's definitely more accurate than a 2018 to 2020, the Honda sensing feature that sensors have. But yeah, it's just that thing pops up, steering required. That's all. Just kind of touch it and it goes away. But still, the whole point is to help you. You see it's curving on its own into the lane. There you have it. It just went right back in the lane. It's still accurate. I like that move. Yep, super accurate for now. Still doing a good job. Let's see if it reads this lane. Yes, it did. That 55 miles per hour did a really great job. Wow, that's pretty accurate. Exactly timed as when I would do it myself. So I still haven't touched the steering wheel, guys. It's great. But this is like when you go on a long drive and you want to enable that stuff and keep your hand on it, just so you know, if you're like, I don't know, it's for safety, like it will keep you in that lane. Look at that lane in front of me, it's gonna control it. Nice. And now I'm gonna take the exit. But yeah, guys, it's definitely accurate from the previous models. I really like the Honda sensing feature on this, and that's it for the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Comment below what you want to see next. It's a 2.0, of course. We're having fun with it. Put it in sport mode. Got a little nice revs. I love this. Can't wait till I get mine. So stay tuned. Keep watching awesome content coming up, guys. And yeah, that's it. If you guys want to join me as a member, please do so. The link will be in the description below. Send me a screenshot of it on my Instagram at RedLineMods.official, and then I'll add you in a private group where a bunch of members are there to help out each other on stuff like that, like, you know, modifications or advice, where you can find the parts cheaper, help out with the links. Like your questions are prioritized, and you get shout outs, you get monthly giveaways, you're entered into my monthly giveaways on there too. Yeah, it's pretty much good stuff. Everybody's happy there. It got over, I think right now I have over like 35 members, and they're all enjoying that group. They're just happy to be there. But other than that, peace out, guys. Until next time.